Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Inzoi game DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. And guys, unfortunately there is no one solution to fix this problem. I will show you the different solution to fix this problem and you have to try all the solution to find the best solution that work on your PC. So let's get started. First go to the Windows set, type it the dxdiag and this run command will show on the top so you can simply open it. And here you just need to make sure that the DirectX version is DirectX 12. Here if you are seeing the DirectX 11 or the any other, then you can simply update your Windows. You can go to the Windows set, tap here the Windows update and simply open it. So guys, when you update your Windows, the Windows update can automatically install the DirectX 12 on your PC if your Windows don't have the DirectX 12. After that guys, the next solution you need to do to fix this problem is you can open up the Steam and go to your Steam library. And guys, just click on the game which is the Inzoi. So I don't have downloaded the game, but I will show you how you can fix it. Go to the gear icon, go to the properties, and in the general you will find the launch option. And guys, here you just need to type the minus DX11. Guys, once you type it, just close this and just play the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, after this command, if your problem is not fixed, then you can go to the properties again. And guys, here then you can just remove this command and go to the install files. And here just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. And guys, once you click on that, now here you will see your Inzoi game launcher. So you can right click on the game launcher and on the last you will see its properties. So just click on the properties and just go to the compatibility tab. Here you just need to check this box of the run the program in compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8 and run the program as an administrator. And guys, these are the very important settings that you need to apply to fix this problem. After that, just play the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows search and type in the device manager. And guys, open it. Here you will see the display adapter. You have to open it and simply update your graphic cards. And guys, if you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then just simply open up a software and just update it. If you have the AMD graphic card, then just simply open up the AMD software and update the graphic card. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then we are moving to our next solution that will definitely fix our problem. So you have to open up your end browser and just search for the DirectX 12 download. And now you have to open up the first website of the Microsoft.com. So guys, you just need to make sure that you open up the Microsoft website and that will show on the top. And guys, it start downloading automatically, so you just need to wait for it and just simply install it into your PC. Guys, once you install it, you have to simply restart your PC. After the restart, I hope your problem is fixed. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.